Ever feel like those pesky glasses are glued to your face? What if there was a way to improve your vision naturally, using simple ingredients you might already have in your kitchen? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into a recipe that could help reduce your dependency on those spectacles in just 7 days. The magic concoction we're talking about is a mixture of baking soda and cucumber. Start by taking half a cucumber and chopping it into bite-sized pieces. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of baking soda and add a few drops of your favorite vinegar. The cucumber, with its cooling properties, is an excellent remedy for soothing tired eyes. Now, it's time to squeeze some citrus. Extract the juice from 1 orange and 1 lemon and set this aside in a container. Remember, your eyes need vitamins too, and dry eyes can be a sign of insufficient vitamin intake. To combat this, add 2 more chopped cucumbers and a glass of water to your original mixture. Then, give it a little time to allow the ingredients to infuse and work their magic. Cucumbers are a veritable health powerhouse, packed with nutrients that can benefit your body in numerous ways. Once your mixture is well blended, strain it to remove any solids, then add the orange and lemon juice you set aside earlier. Restoring your vision doesn't have to involve harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. This simple, affordable recipe could be just what you need to bring clarity back to your eyesight. And that's all there is to it. A simple, natural way to potentially improve your vision and reduce your reliance on glasses. Give it a try, and you might just be surprised at the results. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. We've got plenty more tips and tricks to share, so stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.